classroom session of permutation and combination. I've seen a lot of students and I've received a lot of queries from the students that they're actually afraid of this concept. The permutation and combination thing has been a type of phobia among the students. So let us simplify it. What is permutation? What is combination? Permutation is arrangement and combination is selection. Remember the words arrangement and selection. Arrangement means permutation, selection means combination. Then order of items is important in case of permutation, while order of items is not important in case of combination. What do I mean when I say order of items is important or not important? It means that suppose I have to arrange a few people on a few seats. Now I am using the word arrangement. Here the order of those people is important. How I arrange the first person, how I arrange the second person, how I arrange the third person on the given chairs. We will see from an example. Let us try to understand permutation and combination from a practical scenario. Suppose I have 5 friends. Now these 5 famous personalities are actually not my friends, but suppose they are my friends. Mr. Bill Gates, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff and Mr. Sundar Pichai. So I am organizing a party in my room. The room has 3 seats. Okay, the capacity is only 3 and I have 5 guests. So I can invite only 3 out of this 5 guest list. Okay, so it means I have to select 3 out of these 5 guests. Now wherever the word select comes, it means I have to use the combination. That means I have to use NCR. This is the combination because I am selecting 3 out of 5 guests. Where in this case N is equal to 5 and R equal to 3 because I have to select 3 out of 5 guests. Now I am selecting actually 3 out of these 5 guests. Suppose I am selecting Mr. Bill, Mr. Mark and Mr. Sundar as my 3 guest list using 5C3 combination. So the combination task is completed because I have selected 3 out of 5 guests. Now what is remaining is the permutation part, because these are 3 chairs and the guests can be arranged accordingly. Like Mr. Bill is currently on chair number 1, Mark on 2 and Sundar on 3. But this can be otherwise also, like Mr. Mark can come on 1, Mr. Bill can 2 and likewise Mr. Bill can come on 3 and Mr. Sundar come on 2. So there are several arrangements of these 3 guests on the 3 chairs. Okay, I'm using the word arrangement. It means this is the permutation part. So how many arrangements are possible with the 3 guests? This can be computed using NPR, where N equal to 3 and R is also equal to 3. So I'm repeating myself. I had 5 guests. Out of these 5 guests, I selected 3 guests. So initially I used the combination NCR, and now I have to arrange these 3 guests on the 3 chairs. So this is actually the arrangement part, which is permutation. I hope you are clear. That is NPR equal to factorial N upon N minus R factorial. Similarly for NCR equal to factorial N upon factorial R into N minus R factorial. You have to memorize these formulas for NPR and NCR. What is N and R in this case? N is the total sample space we have. Like I have 5 total people and I have to arrange 3 people. It means N equal to 5 and R equal to 3. Similarly, if I have to select 3 out of 5 people, then N equal to 5 and R equal to 3. N is the total and R is the required value which we need to arrange or select. Let us start from the very basic. The basic theory is fundamental principle of counting, which says if an operation can be performed in m ways and for each of these m ways a second operation can be performed in n ways, then the number of ways in which the overall operation is performed may be determined as follows. First is the case when the AND word is used. Like in case of AND, we have to multiply M and AND. While if the word OR comes, then we have to add M and N. Let us see the example question. Ram went to a garment shop. There are 20 shirts and 30 trousers in the shop. In how many ways can Ram choose? The first point, one shirt and one trouser. So let us see practically. Now suppose I have 2 shirts and 3 trousers. For the first case, I have to choose one shirt and one trouser. Now suppose I choose this first shirt. Now for this first shirt, I have 3 choices. One for each trouser. This is the first trouser, this is the second trouser, and this is the third trouser, which can be matched with my first shirt. Okay, similarly for the second shirt also. If I now choose second shirt instead of first shirt, there are 3 choices for this also. So this means if I have to choose one shirt and one trouser, it means I have 3 plus 3, total 6 choices, or in a better way we can say 2 into 3. As I told you, this is M into N. So how do we go about it? We have 20 shirts and 30 trousers. Now for shirt S1, we have the following ways. For shirt S1, we have the following ways. Now how do we go about it? How do we solve this problem? This is a very simple problem. Like for the shirt S1, we have the following trousers, T1, T2 up to T30. Okay, so for the first shirt, we have these 30 possibilities of trousers. Similarly for the second shirt, similarly for the third shirt. That is why we are multiplying actually. 20 into 30 equal to 600. That is the answer. So the correct answer is 600. Let us move to the second point. When Ram has to select either one garment. Either one garment means, garment word means shirts or trousers. I have 20 shirts and 30 trousers. Let us see practically for this second case. I have to pick either of the one garment. I have total 5 garments. These are 2 shirts and 3 trousers. Out of these 5 garments, I have to pick any one garment. Like I can pick this shirt, or this shirt, or this trouser, or this trouser, or this trouser. So there are total 5 choices for me. I hope you understood. Let us solve the simple problem. Here we have 20 shirts and 30 trousers, and we have to select either one garment. Like I can select 20 shirts, or I can select any of the 30 trousers. So the answer is 50. I hope the basic concept is clear.